Hey bros, it's Zach here, and okay, you might freak out a little bit, but okay, I keep pressing on my bag. Mew. Derp. Yeah, this is fun. Yeah, look at that. I got a freaking Mew. Now I'm training it. This is like the best day of my freaking life. I have a Mew. And also, guys, thank you for all the support. Thank you for viewing my videos. If you could, oh yeah, if you take 2 seconds, a second of your time, go down, push the subscribe button. We're very thankful for that. And if you don't mind, hit the like button too while you're down there. Thank you. And so we today are going to be just. Well, that's really all I wanted to do. I just wanted to tell you guys that nothing important. I'm already setting up to. I'm already setting up to. Already have 2 videos going, so it's just all I'm really gonna do. So